Hello everyone, how are you doing? And welcome back to the channel. This is a quick tutorial on how to BCC in Gmail. Blind carbon copy allows you to send an email to multiple recipients without revealing their email addresses to each other. So let's get started. Open your Gmail and click on the compose button at the upper left of the screen. Once it's opened, enter your recipient's email address here, the subject of your mail, and the content of your message. Now, to BCC, click on the BCC button beside your primary address. Then, you go ahead and type in the email addresses you want to BCC. Once you're done, you go ahead and click the send button to send your mail. So, that's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more of this. Bye guys.